In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to set up work object coordination. This is the basic skills for beginners to master. Remember, before you set up work object coordination, you have to set up tool coordination successfully. So first, jog in, choose the tool coordination. Choose the tool numbers you already set up successfully. Okay? Then go back to program data. Choose work object data. Choose new. You can define it, name it. Let's assume work object 2. Persistent. Okay? Click. Okay? Click edit. Define it. We use user method 3 points. Original points. X direction, Y direction. So let's begin. So let's assume this is the first point. So we choose modify position. So this is the original position. Be careful. Assume this is your part or whatever form of your parts. You must define the first original points. In Robot Studio, I can drag this TCP. In the real project, you have to move the robot to the original position. Okay? Just depends on the real situation. The next, you have to move to the second X direction. Just move the X direction. Do not change the gesture. Remember, one more time, you just move the X direction. Do not change gesture. So, in real project, you have to move the robot, but don't touch the gesture. So, in robot, I just drag. Let's assume this is the second X direction. So, we choose modify. And once you finish the second X direction, the last one should be Y direction. You go back to the original point. Let's assume you can, in the real project, you can just record the original and the second. Then in the program, you can record these points. Let's assume you can establish a subprogram. You record the first original point, the second X direction point. You record in the program. Then you can use next. Okay? In the Robot Studio, I just demonstrate so it's more faster. So we drag second X and Y. So this is Y. Remember one more time, in real project, you create a project and you add a motion command to record original points, the X points, the Y points, so that you can adjust position. In this video, I just tell you, because in Robot Studio, I just drag, so it's more convenient. Okay? So once you modified, you click OK. And you click OK. And the next, for you have to verify whether this work object successfully set up or failed or it's not right. Okay, you choose jog, you choose linear. Okay, you choose work object, you choose work object, you choose the work object you just set up. There is one criteria for you to make judgment whether this work object successfully set up or failed. Once you choose the work object and you jog XYZ, the robot will follow the part XY direction, will follow it, will parallel with this XY. Remember one more time, once the work object successfully set, you can jog on the work object parallel with the part with the part X, Y, Z direction must be parallel with these three directions. Let's show you. Right now I choose this X. As you can see, parallel. Y, parallel. Z, parallel. Okay, this is this video's content. Hopefully it's useful for beginners. See you next video.